Okay, so this is the cat feed monitor. It uses the STM332U temperature sensor, and there's two parts of this circuit. The first one is a resistor divider between ground analog IO1. It's a 10K resistor, and then it's connected to a force-sensitive resistor that's connected to the switch power. So this forms a resistor divider, so that when you press on the force-sensitive resistor, the value here changes from open circuit to about 500 ohms, so it has a pretty good range. The second part of this circuit is a touch capacitance circuit, and that's tied between ground and the switch power for power, and then the center of the touchpad input causes one of the outputs, key 0, to go high and low, and that's connected to the wake signal. So that effectively is when somebody touches that, it's an occupancy signal, and it should indicate that the cat is feeding. So you put the food on the force sensitive resistor, the cat eats it, and that should reduce show a decrease in weight, and then the proximity of the cat should show occupancy. When the cat goes away, it should be finished eating. Okay, so what we have here is the STM332 temperature sensor monitor, and you can see that I have that 10K resistor that's 1206 size between ground and ADIO 0. The other side is so that's also connected to one side of the force sensitive resistor, and the other side is connected to switch power. The touch sensor is connected between ground power, which is this force sensitive resistor, and key 0, which is the output, is connected to the wake signal, so that when it activates, goes low, it should cause the occupancy signal to go low and indicate that there's somebody touching the extremity of the bowl. This is just copper tape that's stuck onto here. This in a double width CD case, and the CD case is really flexible, so I have wood spacers in here and here to reinforce the structure so that when you set something on top of this, it doesn't flex. Okay, and this little washer here is set just so that it lines up with the force sense resistor, so that when you set something on here, it puts pressure on the force sense resistor. So the way this is intended to work is that 3 ounces of water is about 1 serving for a cat. And so my little beaker here would be the bowl. You can use any bowl, any plate. You just sit it on top of this, and it does everything. So in this state, the set point will read something on the order of 94. When the cup or bowl is empty, in this case, it would read 59, and when there's nothing on it, it would read 0. So you can tell when there's a bowl on it, when there's a bowl of food on it, or nothing. And then when the cat comes by and touches this, you get a proximity sense.